This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Miguel Solis. A new luxury high-rise building in Miami's hottest neighborhoods. Blocks from Wynwood, Midtown, and the Design District, located at Edgewater. Live, work, and play here. 11 different floor plans to choose from, starting from 1 bedroom 1 bath with over 771 square feet. With 2 bedrooms 2 baths ample, 1,284 square feet. All units feature top-of-the-line chef-inspired kitchens with modern sleek cabinets, quartz countertops and energy-efficient stainless steel appliances, soaring ceilings, and open floor plans that allow plenty of natural sunlight throughout. Amenities include 24/7 concierge, gym, social room, pool/sauna, barbecue stations and rooftop tanning deck. Pet-friendly and on-site leasing that is open 7 days a week plus on-site management office. Call to set up a private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Miguel Solis at 305-774-5889.